Today we're going to look at problem 7-4, or the knot. It only gives me 3 dimensions, so I'm going to start with 3 circles with the same center point using those dimensions. So I have my circles, and now I'm going to create those lines to form in the center. I know that it's going to be the radius of my large circle. So I'm going to go out the radius, I'm going to go out the radius again, and I'm going to go up and down the radius. Something neat about AutoCAD is that there are lots of different ways to do the same thing. So just because this is how I do it, that doesn't mean it's how you need to do it. So I'm going to draw in my circles on the ends of each of those lines. And then I'm going to connect, and if this doesn't snap to, see that diamond? That's snapping to the quadrant of my circle. If it doesn't snap to that for you, you're going to type OSNAP, enter, and make sure quadrant is checked in your snap settings. I'll click OK. And I'm going to connect the tops of all my circles to the tops of the same size circle on the other side. And we're going to do that for the bottoms as well. Now, to save myself some time, I'm just going to copy these, and I'm going to place them at the end points of these lines as well. Just like we connected the tops and bottoms, we need to connect the sides of these circles as well. This is going to give us the points to trim. Now once I have this, I'm just going to start trimming, and I'm going to zoom in so that way I can see this. And once you start to see make sure I trim all these little lines. So you can see how that's forming that part of our object. I'm going to trim this one just so you can see finally what it's going to look like. Make sure you get all those little lines. There's even some in here. So there's half of my object. So I would just need to trim and trim to get your final object. I hope this helped you with problem 7-4. Good luck!